Lesson 13. Page 38. Waltzing. Here we have the left hand playing the 3 on F and the right hand 3 is on C. The whole rest will get 3 counts in 3/4 time. Okay, here we go. This 3 is here, this 3 is here on F. 1, 2, 3. Both hands. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And back to the beginning. With the duet going, go an octave higher up to here now. We'll play the duet. A little slower. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to go to page 39. This is Aspen Trees. Here we have just the right hand playing 5 and 1 on G and C. Okay, so this is G and this is C. Ready, play. And back to the beginning. Go an octave higher. We're going to play this with the duet now, a little slower. 1, 2, ready, play. That's page 39, and we're going to keep going now to page 40. Ice Pops. Here we have G and C, just like we had on the previous page. But instead of playing with just the right hand, we're going to have the right hand 3 on this G, the left hand 3 on this C. It's the same notes on the keyboard, but we're using the right 3 and the left 3 here. Here we go, counting to 3 now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and back to the left hand. Right hand 3 to the left hand 3. Here's both hands, measure 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back to the beginning. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to go an octave higher up to here, and we're going to play this as a duet. 1, 2, 3. Page 41, Twinkling Planets. Here you can see we have the left hand just playing F. That's the left hand 3 on this F, and that F there again. Doesn't do a lot in the left hand. The right hand is playing C, middle C, and G. Here's middle C with the thumb, That's your little finger on G. Shows you right here where to put your fingers. Okay, so again, we have to zigzag up and down like this and across the page because we're reading the treble and bass clef at the same time. So it's going to start with the left hand 3, and then it jumps over to the right thumb and then the right hand little finger. Okay, let's see if we can do this now. Twinkling Planets on page 41. The left hand is here, the right thumb is here, and the 5 is here. 1, 2, ready, play. Stay right there. My part goes higher than that, so you're going to stay right where you are. Here we go, from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, play. And now we're going to the red lesson book, page 15 in this book here. And page 15 is Mr. Flea. It's really the same notes that we just got done playing in the other book, isn't it? Here's the left hand 3 on F, right? That's that F there. Here's the right hand thumb on middle C. And then you got over here, that's your little finger playing treble G. Okay, this is right hand and that's left hand right there. Really loud in the first system and really quiet in the second system. And there's also a repeat here. Here we go, Mr. Flea. Left hand 3's here, thumb and 5. 1, 2, ready, play. Measure 5, real quiet here. Back to the beginning. Piano, very quiet here. Okay, now go an octave higher. We're going to play the duet now. From the beginning. Now we're up here. 1, 2, ready, play. Back to the beginning. And now we're going to go to the piano book, pink piano book, pages 29 to 30. So here's page 29. Roller Coaster Ride is the left hand. All these note songs will be with the left hand in C position, which is right over here, shows you where your hands go. Roller Coaster Ride is a bunch of skips and steps, but everything else after that is all steps and repeats. Here's Roller Coaster Ride from the beginning. This is the left hand. 1, 2, 3. And boat ride now. And Ode to Joy. Here we go. Starting with that left hand 3. Now try to watch the score up here. Notice things feeling to the right, and then they feel to the left. That's your little finger there. Then back up to the right, repeat, and then back down. From this note to this note, you have to think up a step. And it's just like the beginning, really, isn't it? See this? And notice that this is just like that measure, and this measure is just like this one, but this is a little bit different than that, isn't it? It's not the same. So this is the only place where it's different. This measure is not the same as that. Okay, from the beginning, everybody. Ode to Joy. 1, 2, ready, play. Page 29. And now on to page 30, the grand staff. This is a treble clef. There's a bass clef with a brace and a bar line. That means you're going to read both treble clef and bass clef at the same time. Here's our hand position. We're going to use all 10 fingers. The left hand is playing these notes. You need to know the names of those notes. Try to memorize it. That's C, D, E, F, and G. And this is in the treble clef, C, D, E, F, G. So here we go. The C warm-up from the very beginning. This is your right hand thumb, okay? This is your left hand 5 down there. Right hand is going to start it, the second system is right here. So we got our fingers just like this. 1, 2, beginning, go. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the beginning again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand 5. Okay, that is page 30. We're going to go on now to the technique book. And today we're playing just page 6, the roller coaster ride. Now, here you can see we're not playing a grand staff like we are on a Ferris wheel. We're playing just the treble clef and then just the bass clef. And this right hand 1, RH1, is the right thumb here. The second line will be the left hand 3 in the bass clef. But notice everything's going by steps. There's no skips here. It's really very easy to do this. You just feel to the right, or you feel to the left. So here I'm thinking feel to the right, up to the right, up to the right, and then I go feel to the left, feel to the left, feel to the left, and then feel right, feel left, feel right, feel right, feel right. So that means up to 2, up to 3, up to 4, down to 3, down to 2, down to 1, up to 2, up to 3, down to 2, up to 3, up to 4, and up to 5. Let's see if we can do that. Starting with the right thumb, again, don't look at my fingers here. Try to look right up here where I'm pointing and see if you can feel to the right. Ready, go. Feeling to the right. And back to the left here. To the right, to the right, to the left, right, right, and right. Okay, now the left hand, 3 plays. Feeling to the thumb and back down to 4, back up to 3, to the thumb and back down by steps here. Try that again, beginning. Feeling back down the stairs here and back up. Now the left hand 3 comes in right there. Page 12 in the performance book. My Electric Car. On My Electric Car, here's what's happening. This will start with the right hand. This is the basic C position, like we've been doing. And the right hand 5 is going to begin this. Okay, notice that everything goes down by steps. So I'm gonna go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's my thumb. Then I feel back up by steps. Up a step, up a step, up a step, up a step, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty easy. 5 again, and 5 again. That's my little finger. Now, after I hold that for 4 counts, I gotta switch to the left hand here because this is in the bass clef, and there's a little tiny 1 there. That means that my left thumb is going to play G in the bass clef. That little tiny 5 is really important to look at. It means my right hand 5 starts this line. That means my left thumb is going to play right here, my left thumb. And I'm gonna go down by steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to the left, right? And then I go back to the right, up a step, up a step, up a step. Now right here, it changes. It goes back down to 3, down to 4, and then down to 5. I hold that for 4 counts, there's a repeat sign. So I don't go past that repeat sign. I gotta go back to the beginning and do this again. And then I do this again. Now the second time that I play this, now I do this over here on the end. And this is a D and an E, 2 and 3 played at the same time. So on those words honk, honk right there, you're gonna play this, these 2 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you do it again. That's at the very end. You don't do those notes until the very end, until you've played all these measures here twice. So let's try this from the very beginning. Here's the right 5. 1, 2, ready, play. Here's your thumb. And back up by steps. 1, 2, tick, tock. 1, 2, 3, look ahead, 4. Here's the left thumb, down by steps to 5. Now right here, change directions, go back down, down to 3, down to 4, down to 5, hold it for 4 counts, 3, 4, back to the beginning. Two, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my left thumb. Down to 3, down to 4, down to 5. And now I play the very ending there.